on, guys? Jamo Tech. We out here with the ULANZI 5500 CLB mini LED video light. And what's it called? VL100. That's the model number. You can only really tell that it's ULANZI when you look in the bottom left here. It looks dope. It looks very simple, to be honest. They're £20. They do have cheaper lights on Amazon, but these ones, like I said, are rechargeable, so you don't really have to go through all that faff of getting two AAA batteries. Anyway, let's pop this open, show you guys what's really good. I'm going to do it with one hand. Done now. Okay, so yeah, we've already seen that. Pretty simple stuff there. Chuck that to the side. And this is literally it. This is the most simple packaging I've ever seen. But sometimes it doesn't need to be, you know, any more difficult than it already is. Keep it simplistic sometimes. So yeah, we got on and off, and that's like a click analog. Oh, we got battery inside already. Okay, got battery inside. So yeah, it's a click analog ting. Yeah, so you can hear that. You got the USB-C port down here as well to charge. It looks like you've got a battery LED there. That's all you've really got going on there, and you've got a quarter screw mount in the bottom as well as the cold shoe mount. This is ready to go. You've also got a cold shoe mount at the top if you wanted to stack them, or maybe you want to put the microphone up there instead. So let's get this stuck to something. I've got to put it on my smartphone rig so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the light, guys. So as you can see, I've got it on the very low setting, so you can actually see all the individual LEDs on the front face bit there. If I turn it around, you know, that's the back right there, and I've got just a random microphone stuck to the top of it right now. I've just got it on the quarter screw mount down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, a little quarter screw mount. Using that at the moment, but I could use the hot shoe if I needed to. That's it. That's it. Let me turn the lights off and show you what's really good. Alright, so test one, guys, yeah. It's not even that dark outside, but it's peak. Look, I'm under a street light right now. That's the only reason we're getting something. But if I switch it up on you now, yeah, turn on the light. Okay. Okay. Yeah, see it? HD things, innit? Yeah, I see it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe and like. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Jamo out.